Sintra AI versus ChatGPT. Let's start with Sintra. Now, Sintra is a web-based AI workspace that gives users access to multiple role-specific AI assistants. And ChatGPT is built by OpenAI, which is a general-purpose conversational AI used for writing, coding, research, learning, and more. Now, first let's talk about Sintra. For its pros, it offers over 12 plus role-based assistants. It also has built-in tools for automation. It has a brain that works and organizes content, tasks, and analytics in one place. And it's tailored for entrepreneurs, marketers, and creators. Now for ChatGPT, it's extremely versatile, like useful for coding, writing, research, tutoring, and more. It also has a huge knowledge base trained on diverse data. It lets you build custom AI tools, and it works well for brainstorming, summarizing, learning, and solving problems. Now, the downside for Sentra, though, is it has a paid subscription, and it's also less flexible. And for ChatGPT, it doesn't automate tasks, and it needs precise prompts for best results. So, use Sentra AI if you want a structured AI assistant system, and use ChatGPT if you want a flexible, powerful AI that can write code, summarize, brainstorm.